What's up, everybody? What is going on? Hope you're having a great day. Happy New Year for those that I haven't seen or haven't seen me since 2025. Just got back from CES and I want to take you guys over here to the new project room. That's right. This is where the new home theater is going to be located. And I want to take you through my ideas, and I want to get some ideas from you guys as well about what you think I should put in here. Speakers, TVs, projectors, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to take a quick tour around. Don't wait any longer. Get the most out of your Dolby Atmos home theater with our 20% off sale. Use the code Valentine26 at spatialcd.com and get your copy today. So as we walk into the room, we've got 17.23 feet from front to back and 12.5 from left to right. Now, as you can see, there's a TV here and a whole bunch of like old furniture stuff here. My old home theaters from like the early 2000s. So this is the Denon 4800, AVR 4800. It was the first to have surround back channels, and we needed an amp for that. So the amp that we have here is a Parasound 2-channel amplifier, the HCA 1000A high current power amplifier. It's also THX Ultra certified. And if you notice down here, the Denon is also THX Ultra certified. So like, look, we can still turn it on. AV surround receiver, look at that guy. A Sony DVD player, a Sony VHS with the S-Video. I'm sure you guys remember this guy. If you don't, then, well, hey, maybe I'm a little too old for you. So this rack here has got a whole bunch of old DVDs and stuff, like my mom's and grandma's stuff. On this side, we have a Denon dual tape player. Now I gotta find a place for this and this because TCL just sent over QM9. So I'm gonna have to move those things because this has got way more width. Thank goodness it has a pedestal stand though, I'll tell you that much. The pedestal stand is a huge deal. So yeah, so this is gonna be a good spot. What do you think? What kind of configuration do you think I should run in this room? Think I can get away with 7.1.4? Do you think I should stick to just 5.1.4? Ceiling height, I think, is 8 feet. Maybe I could do some Atmos bounce. Maybe I should get a soundbar in here to review. As far as the walls are concerned, these are all my grandmother's paintings. So I don't think I'm gonna be putting any room treatment up here. Unless I get some absorption with like her painting as the thing on the absorption. That might work. What should I do for AVR? Should I go Denon Marantz? Should I go something else? Let me know. What speaker should I get? Should I go towers? Should I go bookshelf speakers? What do you think? There is this section here off to the right. So if we're looking at the TV, there's this section here off to the right, which is like this little nook. There's like a bathroom and stuff right here. This is a nice little spot. Maybe I can put like a popcorn maker or something like that. You know, like that movie stuff that people have in their theaters. But I'm excited to get this started, and you know, this is like my project for 2026 is to get this room up and ready. I don't really have a timeline, you know, hopefully by the middle of the year this will be done. There's not a whole lot to do. Just gotta get rid of some furniture, pick out some new furniture, figure out all the components, get everything in here. I was originally thinking about having a TV here and then doing a roll down screen. So if you guys have any projector recommendations or screen recommendations, let me know. One of the things I wanted to do before I start moving stuff around here was to get Wi-Fi or get good internet down here. Now, if you saw me coming down the stairs, that's where the router is. The Wi-Fi router is upstairs. So I've been trying to figure out how to get a cable down here. I got some quotes on wired, you know, installation of another Ethernet from up there. And it's time consuming, it's costly, and there's a better way of doing it. So big shout out to Asus for hooking it up. This is the Zen Wi-Fi BQ16 Pro from Asus. It came in a 2-pack. I think it's on sale for like $900 right now. So this is the Node, and upstairs is the actual first unit or the main unit. It took a good 30 minutes, including a firmware update, to get everything up and running. Pretty simple. If I can do it, you guys can definitely do it too. The very end of the setup, it gives you the name and password for all of your networks and the admin. So That's smooth move there, Asus. Smooth move. I like it. I've just got this TV on the ground that I've been using with this new white Xbox Series X. So before the mesh network, we were doing 52 or 49 megabits per second down and about 25 up. And after the mesh network was installed, still on the Wi-Fi, we're doing around 162-ish down and about 32 up. So that's a big jump up in performance and night and day as far as playing the video games. All right, so I did a quick test. The Asus with the red Ethernet cable is connected to a 16-port Netgear switch. The black is going to the Xbox Series X. And we're getting 454 download speed and upload of 36.9, which is nuts. So this is the perfect setup for me. So I just need to get a longer Ethernet cable. So the switch goes all the way back to like behind there, because all the components are going to be in this area. I still haven't decided again on like what furniture I'm going to go with. Probably something small and long. Sounded weird. But yeah, I am excited about this new thing. So thank you so much, Asus. You really hooked it up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I got the NAS all set up. So I'm watching a movie here. I know the TV stand's not big enough for the TV, but what I did here was I got a really long Ethernet cable. As you can see, it's on the ground there. Coming into the switch, I got two things hooked up, one being the Dune HD and one being the Xbox Series X. I'm really loving this thing because now I can stream 4K HDR Dolby Atmos movies from the NAS down here, and it's in great quality. It's not skipping. I'm really excited to get this room into a home theater this year. So let me know what you guys think I should do in this room, what kind of speaker configuration I should go with, what speaker should I go with, all that kind of stuff. When you're starting out your home theater, first things first, get a good internet infrastructure. Go check out the Asus, link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.